If you've ever used snap clips that slide out within minutes, pinch your scalp, or lose their grip after just a few uses, you already know how frustrating the wrong hair accessory can be. Many people assume all snap clips work the same, but the truth is very different. Some are designed for fashion, some for strength, and others for everyday comfort. But choosing the wrong one can ruin your entire hairstyle experience. In this video, we're breaking down the best snap clips available today, tested for grip strength, durability, comfort, and real-world performance. From minimal everyday designs to heavy-duty salon-grade options, each snap clip has been carefully selected. Stay until the end because the final recommendations may completely change how you choose your hair clips forever.
Kicking off our list at number 1, Goody Contour Snap Clips. The Goody Contour Snap Clips are designed for everyday users who want a simple, reliable, and comfortable way to keep their hair neatly in place. These snap clips are built with a contoured shape that follows the natural curve of the head, making them feel more secure and less noticeable during wear. They are ideal for managing flyaways, sectioning hair during styling, or creating quick everyday hairstyles without hassle. Whether you have straight, wavy, or slightly textured hair, these clips provide consistent performance that fits into both casual and professional settings with ease. Key features. A standout feature of the Goody Contour Snap Clips is their curved ergonomic design, which helps them sit more naturally against the scalp. The smooth metallic finish reduces snagging while maintaining a strong snap closure for secure hold. They are lightweight yet sturdy, allowing users to wear them comfortably for long hours. The clips are available in different color variations, making it easy to match them with various hair shades. Their compact structure ensures they stay discreet while still delivering reliable grip performance throughout the day. Benefits and usage. These snap clips are perfect for quick styling needs, such as pinning back bangs, securing side sections, or controlling loose strands during daily routines. They are especially useful for users who prefer minimal styling effort but still want a polished appearance. Many people use them during makeup application, work hours, or casual outings where fast and simple hair control is needed. They also work well for layering hairstyles, helping keep sections separated during more complex styling processes. Usability. The Goody Contour Snap Clips are extremely easy to use, making them suitable for all age groups. They snap open and close smoothly without requiring much pressure, allowing quick placement even in busy routines. Their lightweight design ensures they do not feel heavy or uncomfortable on the scalp. They are also easy to reposition throughout the day, which makes them practical for users who frequently adjust their hairstyle. Their simple structure ensures they can be used without any learning curve. Durability. In terms of durability, the Goody Contour Snap Clips perform reliably for everyday use. The metal construction resists bending under normal pressure, while the finish helps protect against wear from repeated use.
In the second spot, we have Scunci No-Slip Grip Metallic Snap Clips. The Scunci No-Slip Grip Metallic Snap Clips is designed for users who need stronger grip performance combined with a stylish metallic finish. It focuses on preventing slippage, especially for smooth or fine hair types that often struggle with standard clips. These snap clips are widely used for both functional styling and fashion-forward looks, making them versatile for daily wear and special occasions. Key features. The Scunci No-Slip Grip Metallic Snap Clips features a textured inner grip surface, reinforced metal body, and a secure snap closure system designed for maximum hold. The no-slip technology adds friction inside the clip, helping it stay in place even during movement. The metallic coating gives it a polished appearance while maintaining durability. The closure system is engineered to maintain consistent pressure for secure styling. Benefits and usage. The main benefit of the Scunci No-Slip Grip Metallic Snap Clips is its enhanced grip strength that reduces slippage throughout the day. It is ideal for fine hair, layered hairstyles, or active routines where clips need to stay firmly in place. It is also suitable for styling bangs, side sections, or decorative placement. The strong hold makes it reliable for long hours of wear. Usability. The Scunci No-Slip Grip Metallic Snap Clips is simple to use and works well for quick styling adjustments. It snaps open easily and closes with firm pressure, ensuring secure placement. It is effective for small to medium hair sections and can be used for both functional and decorative purposes. Its grip-enhanced design makes it more reliable than standard snap clips. Durability. The Scunci No-Slip Grip Metallic Snap Clips is built for long-term use with a strong metal structure and wear-resistant coating. The internal grip texture remains effective even after repeated use.
Coming in at number 3 is the Kitsch Matte Snap Clips.
The Kitsch Matte Snap Clips is designed for users who prefer a modern, minimal, and stylish hair accessory that blends seamlessly with everyday outfits. These clips focus heavily on aesthetics without sacrificing practicality, making them popular among fashion-conscious users who still want reliable hold. The matte finish gives a soft, non-reflective look that feels more premium compared to glossy alternatives. They are especially suited for casual wear, office styling, and clean minimal hairstyles where subtle elegance matters as much as function. Key features. The Kitsch Matte Snap Clips features a smooth, matte-coated metal body that reduces glare and gives a refined appearance. The snap mechanism is engineered for balanced tension, allowing secure grip without excessive pressure on the scalp. The inner surface is designed to reduce slipping while maintaining comfort. These clips come in neutral tones, making them easy to match with different outfits. Their lightweight build ensures they do not weigh down hair, even when worn for extended periods. Benefits and usage. The Kitsch Matte Snap Clips provides both functional and visual benefits. Users can rely on them for daily styling, while also using them as a subtle fashion accessory. They work well for pinning back front sections, securing loose strands, or creating neat parted hairstyles. The matte finish makes them suitable for professional environments, where overly shiny accessories may feel distracting. They also help maintain a clean, organized hair look throughout the day, without frequent adjustments. Usability. The Kitsch Matte Snap Clips is extremely user-friendly and designed for quick styling. The snap action is smooth and predictable, allowing users to secure hair in seconds. They are ideal for both beginners and experienced users who want a fast, no-complication styling solution. Whether you are preparing for work, studying, or going out casually, these clips integrate effortlessly into daily routines. Their neutral appearance also means they can be worn in almost any setting.
Taking our fourth spot is Camila Paris CP3261 French Snap Clips. The Camila Paris CP3261 French Snap Clips is designed with a more elegant and refined aesthetic, inspired by classic French styling accessories. These clips are often chosen by users who want a combination of sophistication and functionality in one design. They stand out due to their polished finish and slightly more luxurious feel compared to standard snap clips. This makes them suitable not only for everyday use, but also for semi-formal and dressy occasions where appearance matters. Key features. The Camila Paris CP3261 French Snap Clips features a high-quality metal construction with a polished surface that enhances its elegant look. The snap mechanism is designed for smooth operation and consistent grip, ensuring hair stays in place without discomfort. The clip shape is slightly elongated, allowing it to hold more hair compared to smaller designs. It also includes a reinforced hinge area that helps maintain structural stability over time. Benefits and usage. The Camila Paris CP3261 French Snap Clips provides a balance of beauty and practicality. Users can rely on it for both everyday styling and special occasions. It is especially useful for creating clean side sweeps, securing bangs, or styling half-up looks. The elegant design makes it a preferred choice for events, meetings, or outings where a more polished appearance is desired. It enhances overall hairstyle presentation without requiring complex styling effort. Usability. The Camila Paris CP3261 French Snap Clips is very easy to use and works well for users of all experience levels. The snap mechanism opens and closes smoothly, allowing quick application. It holds hair securely without needing frequent readjustment, even during extended wear. The slightly larger size makes it more effective for medium hair volumes, providing versatility in styling options. Durability. The Camila Paris CP3261 French Snap Clips offers strong durability due to its reinforced metal build. It is designed to withstand repeated use without losing its tension or shape. The polished coating also helps protect against wear and minor scratches. With proper care, these clips can maintain both their appearance and functionality for a long time.
At number 5, we have Diane 2-inch Black Snap Clips. The Diane 2-inch Black Snap Clips is designed as a practical and straightforward solution for everyday hair management. These clips focus heavily on simplicity and reliability rather than decorative design. They are widely used in salons, homes, and professional settings where functionality is more important than appearance. Their classic black finish makes them discreet and suitable for all hair types and situations. Key features. The Diane 2-inch Black Snap Clips features a standard metal snap design with a 2-inch length that provides a balanced grip for small to medium sections of hair. The black coating helps resist visible wear and maintains a clean look even after repeated use. The snap mechanism is firm and consistent, ensuring that the clips stay secure once applied. Their lightweight structure makes them easy to handle during quick styling tasks. Benefits and usage. The Diane 2-inch black snap clips provides reliable performance for everyday styling needs. They are ideal for sectioning hair during cutting, styling, or makeup routines. Many professionals use them because they hold hair firmly without slipping or causing damage. They are also useful at home grooming, helping users manage bangs, side sections, or small hair strands with ease. Their simple design makes them highly functional in any environment. Usability. The Diane 2-inch black snap clips is extremely easy to use and requires no learning curve. The snap mechanism allows for quick placement and removal, making them perfect for fast-paced environments like salons. Users can rely on them to stay in place without frequent adjustments. Their compact size makes them suitable for precision styling and sectioning work. Durability. The Diane 2-inch black snap clips offer strong durability for daily professional use. The metal base is resistant to bending under normal pressure, and the coating helps reduce wear over time. While they are simple in design, they are built to withstand frequent handling and repeated use without losing effectiveness. Landing at number 6 is the Goody Girls Classics Color Snap Clips. The Goody Girls Classics Color Snap Clips is designed specifically for younger users or anyone who prefers playful, colorful hair accessories. These clips combine functionality with vibrant design, making them ideal for school, casual outings, and everyday styling. They're known for their lightweight structure and cheerful color options that add personality to simple hairstyles while still keeping hair neatly in place. Key features: the Goody Girls Classics Color Snap Clips features a durable metal snap base coated in bright, fun colors. The snap mechanism is smooth and easy to operate, designed for quick styling without effort. The clips are lightweight and sized appropriately for smaller hair sections. The coating helps protect the metal from rust while also maintaining vibrant color over time, even with frequent use. Benefits and usage: the Goody Girls Classics Color Snap Clips provides both functional and aesthetic benefits. They help keep hair neatly secured while also adding a playful touch to hairstyles. They're perfect for school routines, casual wear, or quick styling needs. Users can mix and match colors to match outfits or create fun looks. They're especially helpful for managing flyaways and keeping hair tidy throughout the day. Usability: the Goody Girls Classics Color Snap Clips is very simple to use, making them suitable for children, teens, and adults who prefer easy styling tools. The snap mechanism opens and closes effortlessly, allowing quick application. They stay securely in place for light to medium hair sections and are ideal for everyday use without requiring adjustments. Durability: the Goody Girls Classics Color Snap Clips offers decent durability for regular daily use. The color coating helps protect against minor scratches, while the metal base maintains structural strength. Although they are designed for lighter styling needs, they perform consistently well when used appropriately and handled with care. Claiming the 7th spot, we have Willbond Large Metal Snap Hair Clips. The Willbond Large Metal Snap Hair Clips is designed for users who need a stronger, larger, and more dependable snap clip for handling bigger sections of hair. Unlike smaller clips that focus on light styling, this option is built for practicality and control, especially for thick, long, or voluminous hair. It is commonly used in both personal styling and professional environments where secure hold is essential. The larger size makes it suitable for sectioning hair, styling preparation, and holding heavy hair without constant slipping or readjustment. Key features: the Willbond Large Metal Snap Hair Clips features a widened metal frame that provides increased surface contact for better grip. The snap mechanism is reinforced to handle higher tension without loosening over time. The metal build is sturdy, ensuring resistance against bending even when used on dense hair. Its smooth coating helps reduce snagging while maintaining a clean finish. The size advantage allows it to secure larger hair portions compared to standard snap clips. Usability: the Willbond Large Metal Snap Hair Clips is easy to use despite its larger size. The snap action remains smooth and predictable, allowing users to quickly secure hair sections. It works especially well for medium to thick hair types, offering stability without requiring frequent adjustments. Even when used for longer periods, it maintains its grip effectively, making it a reliable tool for both home and salon use. Durability. The Willbond large metal snap hair clips offers excellent durability due to its reinforced structure. It's built to withstand repeated use on heavy hair without losing its tension. The protective coating helps reduce wear and corrosion, extending its lifespan. With proper care, it remains strong and functional even after long-term daily use.
Coming at number 8 is the Chanyuan Large Non-Slip Snap Clips. The Chanyuan Large Non-Slip Snap Clips is designed for users who prioritize maximum grip and stability, especially for thick or slippery hair types. These clips are engineered with a strong non-slip focus, making them ideal for holding hair securely during active movement or long wear. They're particularly useful for users who have experienced issues with clips sliding out or losing grip throughout the day. Key features: the Chanyuan Large Non-Slip Snap Clips features a wide metal base combined with a textured inner grip surface that enhances friction. The snap mechanism is reinforced for consistent pressure, ensuring the clip stays locked in place once applied. The non-slip lining helps prevent hair from sliding, even in smooth or fine textures. The structure is designed to balance strength and comfort, making it suitable for extended use. Benefits and usage. The Chanyuan Large Non-Slip Snap Clips provides exceptional benefits for users who need reliable hold during movement. It's perfect for daily activities such as work, commuting, or exercise where hair stability matters. It helps keep hair organized and controlled without frequent readjustments. Users also find it useful for styling preparation, especially when dividing hair into secure sections before heat styling or braiding. Usability. The Chanyuan Large Non-Slip Snap Clips is simple and efficient to use. Despite its strong grip design, it opens and closes smoothly without requiring excessive force. It adapts well to different hair thickness levels, making it versatile for a wide range of users. Once clipped, it stays firmly in place, reducing the need for constant fixing or repositioning. Durability. The Chanyuan Large Non-Slip Snap Clips offers strong, long-term durability due to its reinforced metal structure and grip lining. The materials used are designed to withstand repeated pressure and daily handling. Even with frequent use, the clip maintains its non-slip effectiveness and structural strength over